Alright. What did I do? There's some channels in the gaps. There, he's a bit out. It has a different pattern, so I do pretty much 2 L's. One little, one big. Now, I'm going to put some wheat in it. I went through the birdseed bags and made them all individual. And so that's wheat. And have it so there's some wheat over here. After the sunflowers go, there'll be some wheat. And same with the corn. Corn and sunflowers do their thing. The wheat can keep on going. So I'm going to put some wheat down. And so the babies can have some wheat in a few months' time. And I can add some sunflowers every now and then that grow a bit and plant them in there, same with corn. But until then, I'm going to turn it into wheat until I do whatever else I do with this spot. But this spot now is veggie garden, as you could say, for the beavers. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit, just go do. Couple, all mine, then fill it in, give it a water. Anyway, have a good one, and see you later.